This is Brandon with Woodbury IT, and this is a quick tutorial on how to use OneDrive. First off, what is OneDrive? It's a Microsoft account that every Woodbury staff, student, and faculty member have access to. You get about 1 terabyte of total storage space. To access it, you can go to go.woodbury.edu, and from this main page, you can go down to log into student email. You will find the tabs for it. Otherwise, you can also go to office.com. Make sure you're using the same format, firstname.lastname@woodbury.edu. Do not use your network password, or your network login, sorry. Choose single sign-on also, and network password same as email, same as Moodle, same as if you're logging into a computer on campus. And you can reduce the number of times you are asked to log in. From that one, you will get the main page. We'll go ahead and walk through that now. You may have more than one account, so just make sure that you're going into the correct one. All right. From here, we're going to go to OneDrive, although on the main page you will see files that you might have accessed recently. Just want to go over this page a bit. Okay, as you can see, I've already created a lot of folders, and each one of them has different access. So whether it's a private folder or whether it's shared, it's who they're shared with, how many items are in it, etc. So if you would like, you can create a new folder. Let's say animation 210 or 310. As you can see, I have nothing here yet, but you can drag files directly, or you can create a file in here if it's one of the Word programs. But you're not limited to whether it's Excel or a Word document, etc. You can also drop in AI files or media, anything you want. If you want everything in that folder saved, then you have to create the link for it. It works just like Dropbox. You're going to copy that. You can also give specific access to whether it's anyone with the link, people in the Woodbury network, etc., specific people. You can also allow editing for anyone with the link. And you can also set an expiration date or a password if you want. Now, if I want to move files up to this folder, I can just go to Upload, File, and I can browse locally. So let's say if I want to put some show art up here. All permissions are going to be inherited from the folder structure up top. So if I want to add multiple types of documents, I can. Pretty basic. If it's a large file, you're going to have the opportunity to see, how long it's going to take, estimated. If you want to create a new document directly in OneDrive here, you can go to New, Word Document, and it's going to open up an online version of Word, which you would then be able to use just like normal Word. What else? On the left side, you'll have recent files that you've worked on. People who've shared folders with you. So if an instructor starts a class and you're part of that roster, you'll want to check under the Shared tab on the left side. And when you delete something here, it doesn't really go away for a long time. So you'll have the chance to recover it. Very hard to lose work once you're in OneDrive. Finally, if you want to directly save your file from a copy of Word that you're working on your computer, you can do so. Just have your document open. You're going to go to File, Save As. You're going to save it to your OneDrive account in the folder that just created. We'll call it Doc6. Save that, and boom, it's going to sync up there, but I suggest obviously save your work as often as you can. And that's pretty much OneDrive. As more items are shared with you, you will see them on the left side. Most likely this will express itself as a folder for each class that you're enrolled in. Not all of them may have work that you're turning in this way, but if you're either receiving files from them or turning them back in, you'll see them over here. One thing I suggest doing is using a proper naming convention. So if we go into a folder like this, your instructor won't see 20 files with the same name on them. So I would probably, and you would rename this, if you're creating it on your computer, wherever you're naming it, you name it from the start, but just say first name underscore last name, assignment, version. That way your file will be easy to tell apart from all the others that your instructor will see. If you have any questions, email me at brandon.muse@woodbury.edu or call our help desk at 818-252-5295. Thank you.